Now number of matches 9. My n is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay, the total number of matches will be 8. Now my next is number of round. I said already previously also that it will be calculated on the basis of buys. My total number of buys is 16. Let's see how it is to be calculated. Now 16. We'll check the power of 2's. Okay, because the number of buys is also taken from the power of 2's. So let's see. First 2, second 2, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. So 1 2, second 2, third 2, 4 2. Total round will be 4. Okay, that is a simple thing also. Now I think we have got everything, the raw materials required for making a fixture. So we move further to draw the fixture. Let's see. For one thing also is left, that we have calculated the buys, but what is the procedure to allot the buys in these things? Which team gets the buys? Why we have written like this 1 to 9? The reason to write like this, that making of the fixture will be easier. And why 1 at the, this is not the numbers, this is the name of the teams. Even so, this is not the number, this is the name of the team. You can write the name of the team also: India, Australia, England, West Indies, Canada, and Sri Lanka. Okay, the many more names which is coming here. You can write the name of the team. Now one question also arises: why India number 1? Why number 2 Australia? So this question may arise. Okay, we'll be discussing it when we see the buys allotment formula. Okay, now we see the buys how the buys are allotted. Now the buys allotment. Now how to allot the buys? First buy is going to the last team of lower half, means the last team. Second buy, first team of upper half, means the very first team. Third, first team of lower half. And fourth, last team of upper half. And then continue. Let's see here if the formula comes here. Okay, what I said, where the first buy will be allotted, last team of lower half, then first team of upper half, then first team of lower half, then last team of upper half. How many buys is been allotted? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Total number of buys is 7. So means we need to allot 3 more buys. Okay, what was said here? We will continue the same process. Okay, let's see. First, second, third, fourth. 4 buys here. Now 3 more. We will continue the process. Last team of lower half. Fifth buy. What is the second rule says? First team of upper half. Sixth one. And first team of lower half. This is only remaining, so we will be marking the only one thing. Okay, so first bye is allotted to here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All the 7 byes have been allotted. Okay, now this is my first round. That is the imaginary thing you can understand by this. But 2 teams are left here. Okay, so the first match will be played between number 3rd team and 4th team. You can give the names also, which I have already said. Team 3rd and team 4th. Okay, first match will be played between 3 and 4. T, D and P. Why TDP? Because the time is fixed. When the this is all planning. Okay, this comes under planning. The time, the date and the place where these two are having match between them, at which place, on which date, that is already fixed. Okay, so in this round we are having only one match, else everybody has got the byes. Now they will take part in the next round of the knockout fixture. Okay, now let's see. So next round we continue with the matches. This was the first match, second match, first and 2, second match, T